Hey, Tati Micheline and I are making delicious Haitian Bannann Peze. Remember, always have a grown-up with you when you're cooking in the kitchen. Tati, are you ready?
On pare, Nia Blu, on fait Bannann Peze.
Hey friends, it's Nia Blu. Today we're making Bannann Peze. But remember, every time you cook, always have a grown-up with you in the kitchen. Bannann Peze, Peze, Peze. Crispy plantains the Haitian way. Bannann Peze, Peze, Peze. Come and cook with me today. First we wash our hands so clean, then get everything that we need. Green plantains, cooking oil, water and salt. We're ready to go. Add a little garlic if you like. Now we're ready to make it right. Take a green plantain, not one that's ripe. A grown-up helps with the knife. Cut both ends and score the peel. Take the green skin off for real. Cut the plantain thick, not thin. Now the cooking can begin. Bannann Peze, Peze, Peze. Crispy plantains the Haitian way. With a grown-up by your side, we cook safely every time. Now it's time for the first fry. Hot oil is for grown-ups, that's why. The grown-up heats the oil with care, then gently puts the plantains there. Fry until they start getting soft, then take them out and let them cool off. What comes next? Press, peze, peze, press it flat. That's the Haitian way to do that. Use a plantain press or something flat, with the grown-up helping with that. You want, give each plantain a little taste. Then get ready, no time to waste. Now comes the second fry. Remember, grown-ups handle hot oil nearby. Fry both sides until golden and crisp, then take them out. Look at this. Drain the oil and add some salt. Bannann Peze is ready at last. Bannann Peze, Peze, Peze. Crispy plantains the Haitian way. Peel it, cut it, fry it once. Press it flat and fry again. Golden, crispy, tasty too. Now you know just what to do. And always remember, when you cook, have a grown-up with you. Jodi en a fait Bannann Peze. Mais songez chaque fois à faire manger. Toujours gagne un grand monde avec ou non cuisine. Bannann Peze, Peze, Peze. Bon Bannann Jean Haïtien fait. Bannann Peze, Peze, Peze. Vini faire manger avec jodi a. Premier bagay lave men ou bien. Après ça prend tout ça nous besoin. Bannann bête, huile pour frire, de l'eau ak sel nous pare oui. Mettez anti-l'ail si vous voulez. Kounye an commence. Prends yon bannann bête, pas près yon kimi. Yon grand moun aide à couteau, ah oui. Coupez des pointes, tracez beau à doucement. Retirez beau bête là sous bannann. Coupez l'en morceaux qui bien épais. Kounye nous pare pour n'fal. Bon Bannann Jean Haïtien fait. Avec yon grand moun pour côté, nous n'a fait manger en sécurité. Kounia c'est première fois n'a fri. Mille choses c'est pour grand moun oui. Grand moun n'a chauffé l'huile là doucement. Il mette Moscou. Bannann yo là-dedans. Frio jouk yo commence vin mou. Retirez yo et puis quittez yo, posez un petit coup.